Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. First of all, you have to take A4 paper piece of your favorite color. Fold it into two halves and press well. Now you have a crease upon your paper. Now fold it into a triangle. It will turn out to be a square if you cut it, okay? Now from the other side, well done. Now from the mid, turn the top to the bottom. Press well. Now you have a star-like crease on your paper. Now fold it into a triangle. You may stop the video to catch up. Now fold it upward and then from the other side. Now we have a square type structure. Now fold the top corner to the bottom. Now the other one too. Actually, we are making the structure of the needle of plane. Turn, again fold into a leaf type structure, okay? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now, from the top, fold it to the fold. The other fold. It's a bit complex, I know. You may reverse the video to have another glance of it. From the other side, the same procedure. Now turn to the outside. Finally, in a great shape. Well done. Do these steps carefully. From the other side too. Small details mean a lot. Okay, follow the crease. Then from the other side. Okay. Fold finely, okay? You have to make some complex creases so that they may guide you to the complex steps. You just have to practice for it 1 to 2 times and you will be done. Okay, the tail of the jet. The tail wings banded inwards. Now bend the wings upwards. From the other side too. And ta-da! Done! See you in the next video. Bye bye!